In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in your CapCut video, step by step, so you can make your edits feel more polished, more professional, and a lot more engaging. Whether you want to use a song from CapCut's built-in library, or add your own audio file, this process is quick and easy once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. If you already have your clips on the timeline, that's perfect because we're going to add music right into the edit. Once your project is open, look at the top toolbar and click on Audio. This is where CapCut keeps all of the music and sound options you can use in your video. From here, you have two main choices. You can choose a song from the CapCut music library, or you can click Import if you want to add your own music for your device. If you're using the library, take a moment to browse through the available tracks and find something that matches the mood of your video. A good music choice can completely change the feel of your content, whether you're making a vlog, a short-form reel, a tutorial, or a cinematic edit. If you already have a song saved on your computer or phone, import that file instead. CapCut makes it easy to bring in your own audio and use it directly in your timeline. Once you've chosen your music, drag it down onto the audio track in the timeline. This is the part where the music becomes part of your actual video edit. You can place it at the beginning of your project, line it up with a specific scene, or position it wherever it sounds best. After that, adjust the length of the music so it fits your video properly. If the track is too long, trim it down. If it starts too early or too late, move it until it matches your footage. This is really important because good timing makes your edit feel smooth and intentional. Next, adjust the volume. You don't want the music to overpower your voice if you're talking in the video, and you also don't want it to be so quiet that it disappears in the background. CapCut gives you control over the audio level, so you can balance it with your clips and voiceover for the best result. You can even fine-tune it until it feels just right. Once everything sounds good and the music is in the right place, click Export to save your video. CapCut will process your edit and create the finished file with your music included. And that's it. You've now added music to your CapCut video the easy way. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.